Hi, my name is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how you can change your voice by changing your focus or your perspective. This is because wherever your focus is, sound will flow. So where focus goes, sound flows, or you may have heard the expression, where focus goes, energy flows. It's the same thing. Sound, energy, same thing. So we're going to play with changing your focus and this will change your voice. What we're going to do is focus on very simple shapes and objects and characters. And this will change your voice. Let's begin. So number one, we're going to focus on an object or creature about here in front of you. So imagine you've got it's solid, not empty, solid object here. I'm going to imagine I've got a really lovely, wide, fat cat, because I like cats. So it's sitting here, it's very nice, and I'm now going to begin to focus on this shape. So I'm saying, brain, focus here. And my body will naturally make the sound fill that shape, and the voice will change. When you're doing this, you don't need to know, how do I get it there? Or is it high pitch, is it low pitch? No, keep it very simple. Your body will naturally make the sound. So, brain, focus here. So, hi, round, fat cat. I'm speaking in front to you, and my voice is getting a bit louder, and I don't know how else to explain that, but it's getting louder and kind of with more body to it. Now, let's change the focus so you can hear the difference. So this cat is suddenly going to shrink. But not only is he going to get much thinner, we're going to stretch him up. So he's gone like this and like this. Now he's changed from a round shape to a long, thin shape. And again, brain, focus here, send my sound there. Hi, cat! You've stretched up really tall, and now you've made my voice go very high-pitched. I must focus on that you're very thin, because now you're a bit too fat, now you're thinner. So I'm focusing my sound in this tall, thin shape, and my voice has got more high-pitched, and it's kind of uncomfortable. So that's what will happen if you go narrower. Your voice will get more high-pitched, and it can begin to kind of sound a bit shrieky if it's really tall and long. So yeah, that kind of hurt doing that. So now we're going to change it to be further away. So this time you've got a giant, but they're a lovely giant, very friendly giant, and they love listening to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go, brain, focus on this giant. This giant is very far away, in the distance, through your walls, outside, and they're not too tall, but quite tall, and again they are wide. This normally gives the best sound when it's wider, unless of course you want to play a particular character and have a different voice, then you might want it narrower. So, let's focus on this giant and see what happens. Hi, giant! You're really far away! I'm focusing my sound to get to you. I've got no idea how my voice is getting so loud, but my voice is just naturally doing it. So it makes it a bit louder. I don't know if you noticed. So let's now make this giant shrink, and they're gonna come back to here. Oh, tiny little person. And we're gonna put them, we'll put them inside your mouth. Don't squash them, of course. So I want to be quite kind to them, so don't scare them. So put them just there. And we're just gonna focus on talking with this little person inside your mouth. So this makes your voice a lot quieter and quite gentle, and I know it's not very strong, and kind of friendly because I don't want to scare him. So again, I've just gone brain, focus on a little tiny person, and that's quite irritating to do that. So let's get him out. So that's what happens if you change your focus onto a different area, a different shape, volume. It will change your voice automatically because we're built with these amazing walking instruments that whatever you focus on, it will create the sound. So have a play with that one. You can play with all different characters, sizes. You could have many people all inside of here, and that will change your voice. So I've got lots of little tiny people in my teeth. And then bring them outside again, and it will change your voice. My challenge for you is to play with this and write down in the comments which was your favourite one.